Have you ever thought it would be impossible to create completely biodegradable consumer products that are free of toxins, additives, or harmful chemicals? Well, think again. Today, we're exploring the incredible journey of Everyone's Earth, a company that's redefined what sustainability can look like. This eco-conscious manufacturing business is already pulling in a staggering $833,000 in monthly revenue with products that stand out in a crowded market for their revolutionary design. Founded in 2014, Everyone's Earth creates eco-friendly products using a unique manufacturing process that eliminates toxins and additives. Their first product, Kobe Dryer Sheets, launched in 2024, is just the beginning. They're developing a range of products, including biodegradable change diapers and plastic-free detergent, all targeted at environmentally conscious consumers. The company is based in the USA and has gained traction by appealing to millennials, Gen Z, and sustainability advocates. The story starts with Thomas Kallish, a textile industry veteran with nearly 50 years of experience. With his expertise in clean manufacturing, Thomas founded Everyone's Earth to bring a truly sustainable solution to the market. His vision has helped shape the company's innovative approach, turning a bold idea into a profitable reality. Everyone's Earth was initially funded by Thomas Kallish himself, who invested over $1 million to bring his idea to life. Later, angel investors provided additional capital, allowing the company to scale. Their backing has been crucial in helping the company develop new manufacturing processes and expand their product line. The company's main innovation is their elevated air injection process, which creates biodegradable products using only water, air, and cotton. They've also developed the world's first biodegradable Velcro for their diaper products. With a direct-to-consumer business model and strategic partnerships, Everyone's Earth is positioning itself as a leader in sustainable manufacturing. While it wasn't easy, Everyone's Earth overcame nearly a decade of challenges in perfecting their manufacturing process. Industry experts initially called it impossible, but Thomas and his team pushed forward, eventually proving them wrong. Their growth has been fueled by a passionate team, strategic investments, and a strong focus on sustainability. One key lesson from Thomas Kallish is that persistence is essential. When others say something can't be done, it's just a signal to work harder and think outside the box. His advice to entrepreneurs is clear. Stay focused on your vision and don't give up, even when it seems impossible. His journey proves that great ideas can overcome even the toughest challenges. Want to learn about more businesses, founder strategies, and the steps that they took to expand? Check out CashCows.cloud for more information. You'll also gain access to over 170 other business breakdowns, full of actionable insights on growth, funding, and everything in between, plus many more features. Visit CashCows.cloud today and supercharge your own journey.